One stock from the broader market which continues to gain and is locked on a 5% upper circuit, Angel Broking. Well, lots of things brewing there. And today we have a special interaction lined up for our viewers on Angel Broking. The new CEO, who's a complete techie, joining us from San Francisco, Mr. Gangadhar. And the background actually tells all. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, you name Uber, the technology company, and he has it under his belt. And of course, that's what the aim of the management at Angel is, to make it a complete platform company, a technology-led company, and that's how the choice of the new CEO. Mr. Gangadhar, thanks so much for joining us on ET Now today. There's a lot of buzz around the company and of course about you as well. So before we go deeper into what you bring to the table for Angel shareholders, why don't you start by telling us how did you actually choose Angel Broking as your next assignment, the kind of pedigree you have, what kind of scope do you see of value add in this company that you chose to join Angel Broking?
The broking industry is been on a significant growth trajectory over the past several years in India. The market has grown. We today now have over 5.5 million people that are actively trading that on the stock exchange today. And as this growth is continuing to scale, it is driven by technology. It is driven by the fact that a lot of people from tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 cities are embracing this digital trend. And this trend is only going to continue. And I look at the future of Angel Broking as one of the key players that is spearheading this trend. We have built an amazing technology. We have built an outstanding product and a brand that has earned the trust of millions of our clients. And this is really the right time to bring a new level of sophistication and technology to the whole industry. And that is what we are going to be doing at Angel in the coming years ahead.
Right. So you really saw an opportunity to take your skill set and your experience and use it in a positive manner in an organization which is spearheading change in an industry. That's an interesting one. Talk to us how your technological background can help in shaping the ambition Angel has now. And what's your own vision of taking Angel under your leadership? Because you'll be facing very stiff competition. Among the legacy brokers, clearly Angel is doing path-breaking job, but there are tech-backed new age brokers as well. So talk to us about that.
Yeah, so my background has always been in disruption. I've been a part of companies and helped grow companies that have disrupted incumbents time and again. If you look at my experience at Google, where I was on the team that built and led Google Cloud, and later on at Uber, where I built and grew their entire engineering team and product teams, both these companies have had a history of disrupting existing incumbents by better technology, by better products, by better service. That experience is what we are going to be bringing to Angel. Now, Angel itself has an excellent seed. It has an excellent nucleus of talent in the company. So my goal over the next 5 years, 10 years, is to continue to build the next set of technologies, the next set of people capabilities, the next set of process capabilities to help accelerate that vision. And you asked about the stiff competition with the incumbents. The way I see it is that we are just getting started. This market is 10 to 100x bigger than what it is today. So I look at it as it is very early to tell who's going to emerge as the winner in the next 5 years or 6 years. In my opinion, people and companies who stay focused on engineering, who focus on the right technology, who continue investing in talent, and who continue investing in core business skills, they are the ones that are going to continue to grab market share and lead the wave of innovation.
Sure. Angel last couple of months has itself geared up a whole lot in terms of the speed at which it's adding products, services, web-based applications, and of course, customers. What exactly do you have in mind in terms of initiatives which you can specifically take over and above the direction which Angel has already taken before you joined in the last couple of quarters?
Yeah, as you correctly have noted, over the past several months, we have brought a lot of new products to the market. And all of these products are driven by a lot of machine learning and artificial intelligence, which we are applying at scale. We are applying and bringing new technologies to our products, which help deliver a better experience, a better product to our clients. So in the next year to 2 years, when I look at what our goals are going to be, what our focus is going to be, our focus is going to be to continue building on that phenomenal product experience so that we can build very crafted and better journeys to help people invest in the platform, to help manage their wealth better, to help understand the markets, and to help give them a basket of products that ultimately help maximize the return on investment that they can get. So we are here to build a best-in-class fintech platform for every Indian. And the range of services that we are looking at are, obviously broking, there's wealth management, and there could be more in the future.
Right. Ryan, we're also witnessing a very silent revolution which is happening in the Indian saver community. Historically, we have been bent or tilted towards real estate and gold. Increasingly, the new investor saver is not shying away from, going deeper into stocks, investing, mutual funds. In fact, crypto as well, as far as that, it is getting popular and there is a lot of curiosity around it. But if you talk about the millennial or the Gen Z, especially in tier 2, tier 3 audience, which you are also targeting, and BSE data shows that they are also among the highest adding to the overall investor base. Do you see a very good scope or a good runway of growth next couple of years? And it will be myopic if you only look at 1 or 2 years in this regard.
I see, excellent question, first of all. I see a phenomenal pace of growth for the next decade. And there is a lot of need and growing momentum in the market to invest in broking, to invest in fintech products. And we see a lot of customers embracing that trend. We see a lot of customers embracing that change. So the key, when you look at what these millennials who are coming online, our average age of an angel client is only 30 years old. It used to be 34 or 35 years old till a few years ago. So our average client age is going down. And as more and more of the millennials, they come onto our platform, they are more knowledgeable about leveraging our data. They are more knowledgeable about leveraging our information, which is available through our app, which is available through our web platforms, which is available through all our proprietary stock engines that we have built for them. So in the end, what we see is a culmination of 3 or 4 of these different type of efforts that together will help accelerate the growth for our business over the next decade. And that is really where I see the next wave of growth. As more and more of these millennials come online and they leverage the data that we have and the information that we have and continue to build on success that they've already seen. Yeah.
So you're clearly endorsing the point that there is scope for 2, 3x, 4x growth customer base of Angel with the help of these measures which you're planning to take over and above they've already taken in the next couple of years. So growth will not be a constraint. The size of the opportunity will never be a constraint.
Yes.
Right. Yes. Okay. So one last question to you. There are a lot of people who are listening to you, the new leadership and the steps you aim to do. Over and above what we've discussed, what is the message you would like to give to the shareholder community in particular, who are obsessed with returns, who are obsessed with growth, new products, the return ratios, all of that. You've worked in the ecosystem in the US, which itself is very financially savvy, and they look at all of that metrics themselves. What would your message to the shareholder community of angel broking be?
Yeah. The Angel as a company, our entire thesis is around delivering better and more innovative financial products to the market. We have an excellent product and an excellent business built around trading and broking applications. We are going to be continuing to grow and build that as time, as we continue to scale our business. What you're going to see over the next 4 years, 5 years, is a continued emphasis on innovation, continued emphasis on product innovation, so we can build better experiences and rapidly expand that market that we have built. Our focus is going to be to continue to build on the brand trust, to continue to build excellent journeys, to continue to build excellent products which are easy to use, easy to operate, and finally build a wide range of financial products which our customers can leverage to improve their entire, financial and wealth management aspect. So that is really what we will be doing over the coming years.
All right, Mr. Gangadhar, and we'll let you go on that one. Thanks so much for joining us on the show today. And we at ET Now wish you all the best on your new innings.